Hello, Merrick here, the inventor of the Probiotic Maker. Today we're going to be making some Greek yogurt using the Probiotic Maker. Super simple, probably the easiest, definitely the easiest way to make Greek yogurt. So what we'll do is we'll grab our finished probiotics from the refrigerator, and we haven't shaken these or anything. Remember, we put in the starter seed packet, slide on the maker and plug it in overnight, and then it automatically grows the probiotics. So now we're going to be using a strainer here to make Greek yogurt. So you see it's got a strainer and the actual tub to catch the whey. So I've actually never done this. My wife likes to do it. In another video we poured off some of the whey and some of the probiotics, but so you see that we're using fat-free milk so that the whey is already separating. Yeah, you can see that gets pretty thick. Alright, I have to squish the jug to get this in there. There's a lot of it's pretty thick stuff. Alright. And so what we'll do is we'll go ahead and let that strain out in the refrigerator for a few hours. There's already quite a bit of whey in there. You can see it's just straining off. Yeah, that's pretty simple. You just put it in there, and maybe I'll need to get a cheesecloth, and we'll use the traditional method as well. So we'll go ahead and place this back in the refrigerator and check back on it later. Alright. Hey, welcome back. This is Merrick here with the Probiotic Maker. Let's go ahead and check on our Greek yogurt. So I went ahead and I was bouncing it because I was a little impatient, wanted to see if that sped up the process, but it just caused it to go and squirt through. So what I did was topped it off with a little bit more, and then I let it go. I let it go for a few extra days because I didn't get a chance to film a follow-up. So this is probably going to be more cheesy than Greek yogurt. But let's go ahead and pull some of this out of here and take a look. Wow. Okay, that's thick stuff. You see that? It's holding up the spoon in just a little portion. So, and there's you can see all the whey underneath there that's strained off. Oops. Just stripped a little bit. Alright, wow. Yeah, that is like, went past Greek yogurt, strained it enough. We're getting some Kefir cheese and like cream cheese. Wow. Yeah, my wife likes to make it into the Greek yogurt, and but I went a little far. This would be good to flavor and put on some bagels, and some fresh whole grain bagels. So there you have it. Wow. Yeah. You know, if you don't like it more drinkable, like from the Probiotic Maker, you can actually make your own Greek yogurt. Almost no work or effort. It's super easy, super convenient, very flexible, versatile. So, freshest, healthiest probiotics. Only a minute of prep for the regular type, and a few more minutes of prep time, and some patience to let it settle to get Greek yogurt, Kefir cheese, cream cheese. Wow, that is pretty. Wow, stir that up. That's beautiful. Look at that. Wow, that's some thick stuff. So, thanks for watching. Excited to maybe experiment with this with some flavors. I've got some raspberry preserves in the refrigerator. When I add those and then spread it on some fresh, fresh toasted bagel. Oh, that sounds so good. But thanks for watching. Please share. We want to help as many people as possible, and we really need your help to spread the word. So thanks for all you do, and have a great day. Bye-bye. Flavor some of this cream cheese. It wasn't going to be Greek yogurt, but I went too long and made it into some cream cheese. So, oh yeah, fresh raspberry. I like raspberry. Okay, just mix that in. Mix that in. Oh, that's pretty, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Wow, look how thick that is. Hard to believe that started out as some probiotic drinkable yogurt. Or 11 types of fresh probiotic. Oh, that looks good. Oh, yeah.
Should I try?
Yeah, you can try some too. I have Jared, one of my kids, helping me here.
You.
All right. So, we toasted up a couple blueberry bagels here. Let's go ahead and give it a taste.
If you're hungry, you might want to close your eyes on this part.
Mm-hmm. All right, buddy.
Wait, Dad, you can change.
That's so good.
You can change the angles.
I know. All right, just, okay. All right, let's give it a taste. Here.
Ooh.
Go ahead, Jared. You be the taster.
Have you tried this before?
No, you're the first taster.
Oh, no, I don't know if it's good or not. Oh. Got a little sour taste, but...
Yeah. So...
Good. Oh,
all right. So Jared says it's good. Must be amazing. All right, I'm going to try some now.
Oh.
Here, I'll just take a taste after yours. That's awesome.